Swapnil Parekh, Dr. Parekh and Dr. T.P. Lahane. Dr. Parekh is an internal medicine consultant and author of the coronavirus book, is with us, and Dr. T.P. Lahane is the Director of Medical Education and Research in Maharashtra. Thank you very much. I want to ask you first, Dr. Parekh, how alarming should this situation be treated, particularly in the context of Maharashtra?
Any rise in cases is alarming, not just for Maharashtra, but for the whole country. What's happening in Maharashtra today could well happen in other parts of the country tomorrow. And we have to remember that Maharashtra had a high level of population exposure. Maharashtra had amongst the best testing, tracking. Maharashtra did many things right. And we're still starting to see a rise in cases in areas where there was a high level of seroprevalence. So this is alarming for the entire country. And this pandemic cycle is one that has been marked by exponential denial, exponential growth, exponential decline, exponential fatigue and complacency, exponential denial once again, and then exponential growth. Time and again, round and round we go, doing the same things, pretending it will be different. We know that as we ease restrictions, as people start to have more social contact, the virus will spread from one host to another. This pandemic isn't over, and we need to be very careful.
Dr. Lahane, see, the point is, and we've spoken to a number of experts, see, you can only impose a lockdown once to get or reap the full benefits of a lockdown. That's how lockdowns work. Once you have opened, then going for a re-lockdown has not proven to be extremely effective as a measure. So do you feel that this could not result in the, in the intended result that you want?
See, whenever we consider the scientific, you can say, increase in the number in any epidemic, the second lockdown is not much of the, you can say, the fruitful in that. And here what we are planning in Maharashtra, see, the number of the patients increasing in Maharashtra suggests that it is an epidemic, that virus is growing, and these are the, you can say, the surge that comes ups and down. So in those districts where the number is increasing, some things that is a night curfew or lockdown are imposed. So that will give rise to the public, that yes, the virus is active, and for that they will have to go for the, you can say, COVID appropriate behavior. That is the three things, that is use of mask and distancing and the sanitization. So I think that is very, very important, because there is a laxity seen in the population, and I think to aware those people that this is required, that some lockdown or some type of you can say curfew, so that they will understand, and again they will go to the COVID appropriate behavior.
Now, Dr. Parekh, a lot has been said. See, the vaccines had come in the first week of January. The announcement was made. Then it was subsequently thrown open for the health workers, the frontline workers. Very recently, we have seen it has been opened for those who are 60 plus and people who are with comorbidities. The number of vaccinations in this country, instead of going up, has gone down over the past 2 days. Do you feel this is a major cause of worry, that the one way we could have contained any form of spread was faster vaccination?
Absolutely. I think we shouldn't look at just 2 days. We should look at a period of, say, about a week and see how the vaccinations are growing. I think there has been some movement. About a week ago, we were at 1 million doses in 24 hours. We went above 2 million. There's still a long way to go. We need to be between 3 to 5 million doses in 24 hours. We also need to make sure the supply is there, that manufacturers are incentivized to scale up their manufacturing doses to hundreds of millions of doses per month. In fact, when there is a growing epidemic, say in a place in certain parts of the country, we should focus our vaccination efforts in those areas. We've seen in Israel, in UK, that the vaccines actually do bring down transmission at a population level quite well. Of course, other measures are also used, NPIs, so we do have to do it all. but we should focus vaccination in areas where we are seeing growth and start scaling there.
All right. Dr. Swapnil Parekh as well as Dr. Lahane, many thanks for joining us.